Okay, so in the last video, we saw that we could download an image and get it to show up in greenfoot. But let's say this size might be fine for you depending on what you're doing. But let's say we want to make our snake smaller. Um, how could we do that? Well, um, we saw one option with, well, I don't know actually if that's an option, but we saw that there's an editor in that you can get to straight from the Creative Commons clip art deal. So you might be able to find something to reduce the size in here, and you can also, go in and modify the snake and everything. But let's say you've downloaded or you have a link to an image, but you don't necessarily have this edit deal. Like let's say you got it from Google or someplace. Well, you can always use your favorite editor if you're a Photoshop guy or GIMP or something like that. If you want to use that, there are also other things available online. So, for example, there is Sumo Paint. Bring that up. Oh, actually, you know what? What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this page because I want to get the link. I'm going to copy. So I'm doing a Control C, or that on my PC. That'd be a Command C on a Mac. But I'm copying this here, and now I'm going to try Sumo Paint. And so this is another online editor. Like I said, I haven't tried that ImageBot or whatever it's called, but that might work just as well. But I'm going to start up a blank canvas and then open a file from a URL. Since I just copied the URL just now, I'm going to paste it in here. And let's see, what was that? Was that the link? I thought it was .ping. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think it was .ping. Maybe I didn't get the whole thing. Let's see. Oh yeah, because I didn't click on the link, the actual image. So I'm going to click small image here. There it is. That's the link I wanted. So I'm going to copy this, Control C, or like I said, Command C on the Mac. And now I'm going to say, okay, Sumo Paint. And File, open from URL. Notice I'm highlighting that because in Chrome, the HTTP business automatically gets picked up even if you can't see it. So I'm going to say Control V and paste that link in there and say open, and there it is. Okay, and I think it was under edit. Is it? No. Someplace in here there's a, oh, okay, under image. I can choose image size, and so right now the width is 300 pixels and the height is 74 pixels. So let's say I wanted the height to be, oh, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to constrain proportions first. So I'm going to click that one because what I want is that if I change the height, it should change the width proportionally, right? And this px in here is for pixels. So let's see, what can I do with this? Oh, there's a slider, so I could play around with it that way. Or I could just say, instead of 74 pixels high, let's make it 40 pixels high. And see, that automatically changed the width, and it's telling me I'm making it 54% of the original. I'm going to say OK. And there it is. So now I can save it. And you notice this in the background of the snake, there's this checkerboard pattern. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there's a checkerboard pattern behind it. That just means that the background is transparent, which is a good thing. That's what you want in your images. And then let me just save it to my computer. And let's see if I press save. And again, I'm pointing it to the, you have to make sure that it's pointed to the images folder in your project. And I'm just going to call this one, let's call this one small snake. I know this is the smaller one, okay? And I think this one, okay, so now I have that one in there. There, if I say the same, yeah, there it is, small snake. So I pick that one instead. And now when I recompile, the snakes are smaller. Okay, so that's how you can resize. And again, there are you know, there are a lot of other things you can do with it to manipulate the image. You can rotate it and you know, do all this drawing stuff, lighting effects and all kinds of stuff. So, but that should get you started at least. That's one of the key things, is to be able to change the size. All right.